Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
The history of the green jay, scientifically known as Cyanocorax yncas, unfolds across the subtropical forests, scrublands, and savannas of Central and South America. Part of the corvidae family, jays share a lineage with crows, ravens, and magpies, a group renowned for intelligence, adaptability, and complex social behavior. Within this family, the green jay evolved as a brilliantly colored, highly social species, thriving in habitats that demanded keen observation, vocal communication, and agile movement. Unlike many corvids that are primarily forest dwellers, the green jay occupies a mosaic of habitats, including woodland edges, dense thickets, and open savanna patches. This variety required adaptations in flight, foraging, and predator avoidance. Green jays developed strong wings for short bursts of rapid flight and highly maneuverable movements through dense foliage. Their long tails aid in balance and precise navigation, making them effective foragers and vigilant sentinels in environments with high predation risk. One of the most distinctive evolutionary traits of the green jay is its vivid plumage. The striking combination of bright green upper parts, turquoise and blue wings, and a contrasting black and yellow face serves multiple functions. These colors act as social signals within the flock, aiding recognition, cohesion, and hierarchical interactions, while also providing subtle camouflage among the dappled forest light. Sexual selection likely reinforced these bright patterns, favoring individuals whose vibrant coloration signaled health and vitality. Dietary adaptation played a central role in the green jay's evolution. Omnivorous in nature, they feed on insects, small vertebrates, fruits, seeds, and occasionally eggs of other birds. This flexible diet allows them to exploit seasonal and local food availability, shifting foraging strategies according to resource abundance. Their strong, slightly curved beaks and dexterous feet make them efficient at handling a wide variety of food items, supporting both individual survival and cooperative feeding within social groups. Behaviorally, green jays are highly social and intelligent birds. They form stable family groups that cooperate in territory defense, food acquisition, and raising young. Vocal communication is sophisticated, featuring a repertoire of whistles, squawks, and chatter used to coordinate movement, warn of predators, and maintain social bonds. Observations suggest that green jays can problem solve, recognize themselves in mirrors, and demonstrate memory skills that rival some primates, reflecting a long evolutionary history of cognitive development within corvidae. Breeding behavior reflects adaptation to fluctuating tropical and subtropical environments. Green jays nest in dense shrubs or low trees, building cup-shaped nests that provide concealment from predators. Both parents, along with helpers from previous broods in some cases, participate in feeding and protecting the chicks. This cooperative breeding strategy increases offspring survival, particularly in habitats with high predation pressure or unpredictable food availability. Lifespan patterns reveal a balance of intelligence, sociality, and environmental awareness. In the wild, green jays typically live up to 12 to 15 years, though this depends on predation, habitat stability, and resource access. Captive individuals can live slightly longer, benefiting from consistent food and reduced threats. Their social complexity, problem-solving abilities, and alertness contribute significantly to their resilience. Human interaction with green jays has been limited compared to domesticated or ornamental birds, but they have long been admired for their striking colors and bold behavior. In areas where humans inhabit or modify landscapes, green jays often adapt successfully, showing remarkable flexibility in diet and nesting behavior. Their vibrant plumage and curious nature also make them popular in birdwatching communities and avian studies. The history of the green jay is a story of intelligence, social cohesion, and adaptability. From subtropical forests of Mexico and Central America to the edges of South America, these birds have thrived by combining bright coloration, flexible foraging, and complex social behavior. Their expressive calls, cooperative breeding, and vivid appearance reflect an evolutionary journey shaped by predation pressures, environmental variability, and the advantages of living in tight-knit social groups. Today, Cyanocorax yncas stands as a living example of how intelligence, adaptability, and social sophistication can guide a species through the challenges of diverse and changing habitats.